Oh, hello. All right. Update number 15. Last update I did was the links there that we put on to support that hitch. The tongue was a little bit heavier than I thought it would be. But it's all good. This update here is about putting the poly on for sliding. I try not to go with rollers. I've got some rollers I can put on the bottom of the platforms, but I figured this would be better. Try it, see what happens. Put them on. I glued them down with adhesive, but I put them screws in there too. So see what happens. I put them every 8 inches except for this first one because I had all the clamps messed up. It started pulling up because I had the wrong bit that I used, drill bit for the size of the screws. Oh, we got it down. All right, I'll be putting the dump box on here, back on here, so we can finish that up. Yeah, I figure I didn't need to go the whole length. I put the metal ones. I put metal where the pins got to be because they got to be at the same height all the time. If those wear, I just got to grind those welds off. 4 welds on it. Put a new plate on it, 1/4 inch plate. It's quarter inch poly too. So, but trying to think ahead. So this would be right for the pins. Yeah, we got them down. I'll also showing this going on with the box too. So, let me get that set up and we'll show that. Okay, hold on. All right, all set up there. All right. All right, pull it on. There we go. Just gotta see if the pins fit, and then we'll be good to go. And that's it. Should have rolled back instead of dragging it on the ground, but she centers up pretty nice. So, all right. Thank you. And please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. All right. God bless.